And 2 men at Wright State University are painting a message of unity, as 2 News reporter Kiana Deiches shows us a great example of what's working in the Miami Valley.
The death of 46-year-old George Floyd brought about many different emotions. For some, it was sadness, for others, rage, but for 2 men at Wright State University, it's unity.
Regardless of what's happening after research, what happened with George Floyd, what happened with Trayvon Martin and things of that nature, we should steer away from violence and let karma play.
Like many African-American men, Arthur Miller is still trying to process the death of George Floyd.
It hurts me as a black man to see so many people, so many images put out there of people that look like me getting killed.
The Wright State alum is choosing to seek justice without violence.
As angry as we get about this situation, keep the peace. That's what George Floyd, as a man of God, stood for before he moved from Houston, Texas to Minnesota.
As a form of nonviolent protest, he and his friend Labib painted this rock at Wright State University with an American flag and the words unity.
The message here is just to acknowledge that this is happening and that most of us want to be united.
The men say they hope the Unity Rock starts conversations for people to acknowledge the suffering and talk it out without violence.
I feel the pain, and I'm not black, right? And I can really imagine, what I imagine is much worse, the way our students and faculty that are African American and the staff members are feeling.
Kiana Deiches, 2 News, working for you.